Hello viewers, welcome to Bongo Indian Cooking channel. Today I'll share with you a delicious muskmelon drink. For making this recipe, I took 1/4 part of a muskmelon, peeled, deseeded and cut into 2 pieces. Muskmelon is extremely rich in vitamin A and C and it is good for your gut, and also it is help in constipation, bladder infections, ulcers. Muskmelon is low in calories and it is helpful in blood pressure and colitis. There are different types of muskmelon. It is also called sweet melon. Chop the muskmelon pieces into small cube size. Whenever you will choose a muskmelon for making this recipe, you should choose a muskmelon which is fully ripened. Now grate the another pieces, otherwise you can mash it with a potato masher. Other ingredients are a tablespoon ready-made strawberry crush and a tablespoon Roohafza mixed with little water and a cup chilled milk. In a mixing bowl, add strawberry crush, then add the chilled milk, then add the Roohafza. Mix with a whisker. Add the grated muskmelon. Now add the chopped muskmelon. Mix well. Our muskmelon drink is ready for serving. Serve this cool, refreshing drink in a hot day. If you like this recipe, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.